So today we are at Oatley Park. You might call it Oatley, but we call it Oatley. No offense, but yeah. So there's a very rocky and slippery ground. If you've ever been there, if you live in Australia, I mean, unless there's an Oatley Park in America or Canada or something. Anyway, so I couldn't say are the founders of this place, but there was actually a swing here. It was not like a park swing, it was this swing. Wait, I'm going to zoom out so you can see it. Like, no, I'm not holding it at the right angle. Okay, I'm going to go film. So you might recognize that voice from the Funny Bunny, if you watch it. Yes.
What was that big noise?
Someone threw a rock, namely Dad. I don't know why, and that's the view when you swing on it.
Wait.
By the way, I'm not holding the camera. The founder of Funny Bunny is
me. Why is it not going home?
Anyway, please like and subscribe my channel because right now I have I think 0 followers.
Whee! This is fun. Whee! This is fun.
Subscribe right now.
Whee! Ocean. I like the ocean.
Right. So today is in fact Thursday, I think. It's a holiday, so we don't have to go to school. Yeah. Oatley Park is known for the waters, the beautiful ocean, the view, I think, and the rocks, I guess, and crabs. This one. There might be crabs here. And see these holes in the ground? Those are crab holes. So you don't want to stick your finger in case the crab is just at the opening. Anyway, so I'm not trying to scare you like we're going to be crushed by that. It's steadily and firmly in place. So we decided to make this video because the swing is, let's say, fun. Anyway, subscribe if you haven't already and like us.